All right, headed to the water.
Thank you.
Everybody all set?
Yep, set.
This is day 2 of our little adventure. Sam just woke up. You going out with us?
Yeah, when are you going out?
In about 15 minutes.
Mom snores just as bad as you do.
What?
Mom snores just as bad as you do.
Alright. Okay. The plan is today, here we are here. That's us right there. We plan on heading down here. I think there's a bridge. Check that out. Usually there's beavers and stuff around there. Murderkill River. We'll probably head back around. Depending on the wind, probably just cut back across. I'll be trying out my new sealskin socks. We'll see how they work. They're neoprene. They should be fine. Right now it's about 35 degrees out. Fairly windy. You know, pretty good gusts out there. So it's probably going to be a little bit of a bear paddling around out there. And like I said, it is a little chilly. Alright. See you on the water. Alright, headed to the water.
Thank you.
Everybody all set?
Yep, set.
Alrighty. You guys want to try getting in on the side here?
Yes. I guess so.
Alright. I think we should be okay down there. A little chilly, isn't it, guys?
Yeah, a little colder than I thought.
Yeah, the wind is really picking up. Some serious gusts. The girls just went back to get some jackets. They're gonna need them. It's supposed to go up to like 65 today. I think it's probably like 37 now. The wind is killer. Looks like we could beat the wind on the other side. Stay close to the bank, but I don't know if it's worth going across. I'll stick to this side. Here come the girls.
What?
What's going on? Sam, you look like you're wearing a straight jacket.
What?
You look like you're wearing a straight jacket.
Me or her?
You. All them buckles and stuff. Alright. Let's get Mom in first. Alright?
Wait, smile, Dad. Show
And
off
then-
your outfit. Yeah, show off that. Look.
Crocs with socks. We'll get Mom in.
It's cold on my feet. It's probably gonna be really cold. I know.
Don't step in the water if you can't help it.
How is that gonna happen? Oh, where's my water heater? How am I gonna do that? I guess we step on this.
We're just sitting down here.
What are you doing there, mister?
Alright. And just step in.
Step in?
Yeah, right in the center. Very center.
I think I'm holding like that dead.
Don't pull me in.
I'm not, I'm trying not to.
Using my head as a lever. All right.
Oh shit, here's my unable to squat. I was trying not to pull you in.
I thought you were gonna pull me in so we have some good footage.
Can you hang my waters?
Try to pull yourself off.
Thank you, that was a really great
Ow,
idea.
then she beats me in the foot with the paddle. Jesus. I'm going back in.
The other way. Thank you.
Hey, push her off.
Watch this fishing line over here.
Well, don't go into it. Oh boy, now she's all tangled up in the fishing line.
Just keep going straight out.
Oh my God. All right, Sam, your turn. Do you want to adjust your foot pegs first?
Yeah.
All right. Better?
That too much, Ben?
No, you're okay because you can push your feet up against the side for support when you want to really start paddling.
Let me try again. You'll be glad we got the extra layer.
Can you right in the center?
Ah. No.
Here's your paddle and water bottle.
I was hugging him. Sure you were. That was my good morning hug. Thanks. That was my I love.
Is everybody comfy?
Yep.
Everybody feel safe in their kayak?
Yep.
We all got our PFDs on?
Yep.
How you guys get in front of me?
Where are we going?
Go to the left.
That hole?
Yeah.
Where we go? That hole.
I don't know if that's where Murderkill River or Creek comes in, or if it's furthest to the right. Your hands cold yet? Perfectly fine. My hands are a little chilly. What's funny is my hands are a little chilly. My hands usually never get cold. These sealskins are great. Yeah. What's with the finger? You giving us the finger? Oh, I thought she was giving us the finger. It was a fig bar. The wind really cuts through you.
Dad, your hat light's on.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. Is that the heart light?
You sure it's not a reflection? You guys want to wait here and I'll check it out?
I don't know that. You check it out. I'll just get my big board here.
Yeah, it's dead end. The creek, Murderkill must come in up on the other end.
Yeah, it's dead end.
Take a shortcut through there?
No.
No, through here.
What?
Right there.
What is that?
I'll take a shortcut right through here.
Yeah. Your GoPro mount? Oh, it's on you.
It looks pretty shallow there. Let me go first. If it's too shallow, I'll turn around and go back. Yeah, we're good. Mostly just vegetation.
So what comes into here?
Murderkill Creek or river? I don't know if they call it a river or a creek. To be honest with you, I don't know what the difference is.
I don't know either.
All right, why don't you guys get ahead of me?
Oh, okay.
Oh, why didn't you tell me I was in the woods?
I don't know. I thought you wanted to be a wood.
So I get for paddling backwards. Oh, as long as that wind don't blow, we're in good shape.
Baby turtle, baby turtle. Oh,
They're little painted turtles.
You like storm. Mouth off. I like your arm, but you're not home.
Sam, next time out, do you want to try to use that other seat? Or is that okay?
No, it's just bad. The lumbar support's nice.
Does it really work?
Yeah. That's a lumbar support. What? That's high-end Cadillac. High-end. Oh no. Dilly-dally, never coming back.
We're coming back into the wind. I'm not even moving. It's funny when that wind stops, it feels like you got a jet engine on the back.
Yeah. Alright, we hear you.
What's that you say?
Through the hole. What?
The bridge has to be down here.
It's shallow here.
There it is. Somebody got a nest in there.
Think it has a nest?
Probably have a nest. See how they're getting all weird? The one was laying down in there.
Where?
The one over there laying down. She just walked away from her nest. Maybe not, but you guys want to go ahead of me?
Sure. Alright, we don't want your babies. They're probably ugly.
There she goes. You hurt her feelings.
Look at all the turtles.
Look at little muscles.
Did you see the one?
Yeah.
Pop in?
I think I'm out of here. I'm glad to see they're all painted turtles and not sliders.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know how far we can get back here. I've never been up here. How do I keep getting ahead of you guys?
I was just floating in that hole.
I think that's it, guys. Unless we try up along the other side. It's a shame. I don't know how far we can get up along the other side. I don't know if the water runs down there, but I'll go check it out. Laura, go to your left. That little nook there.
Up in here?
Yeah. I see.
It's like super shallow.
What's that?
It's like super shallow. Super shallow.
You could get through about 6 inches of water.
Can we go through? Cardinal. Cardinal.
Drunken driver. Does it go up over there?
No.
Let me check this side. That's it. Can't get through. It's a shame. Would have been nice if we get up a little bit further, like another mile or so.
What you snacking on? What you snacking on? Big bar. Oh, what's that I had?
Raspberry.
Raspberry. One of the drug reps brought them in for me. It's the first time I ever had them.
What?
Big bars. A drug rep brought them in. She's like, "You never get lunch. Yeah, I thought I'd bring these in for you." I was like, "These are really good."
They're awesome.
But they're hard to find.
But at least we're out of the wind in here. Oh, how about that? One cup holder bigger than the other. What's he doing?
I'm stuck on the side.
What?
Where am I going?
Yeah.
I'm stuck on the side.
Couldn't go up too far. We would say about a half mile,
Yeah.
if that. But really nice little trail. Out of the wind down here, and some good sun. Ah, run aground. Oh my God, it's like 12 inches of mud. Look at that. Crazy. Oh, get my paddle all dirty.
They're terrible parents then. Just abandoning shit. Well, they might be trying to stop. Mom, coming closer. Let's take your hat off. What?
Put my sunglasses on.
Yeah, but your head's gonna get sunburned.
No, it's not. Well, my ears are gonna get cold with the wind. All right, we're starting to catch some wind. Sun feels good though, don't it? I'll see if they want to head up to the nature center. Depends on how windy it is when we get out there. That life jacket feel okay? Does the life jacket feel okay for you?
This?
Yeah.
Hi.
What's going on?
How are you?
Good.
Nice seeing you.
Do you guys want to try to go up nature center, or we'll call it when we go out, see how windy it is?
Let's call it. We'll see.
Why don't you guys paddle out to that thing and I'll take your picture under it.
Yeah, picture under the bridge, under the tunnel of love. Stick to my hair. I think some people can look so cute in like hats.
You look cute in a hat. Not a bad hat. Just because that hat's ugly.
I put a hat on, I look fat and ugly. Fat and old and ugly.
A bald bull.
Well, you can't tell I'm bald because I got the hat on,
Yeah.
which I'm not bald.
Hi, Mom. When's my dad turn around so I can take a picture of Mom?
Do I have to turn around?
Unless you want me to go in front of you and take it like that.
I don't care. I just want us to go under the bridge and turn around.
Yeah, do that.
Oh my God, we got to get back. I need more snacks.
We were happy to have those snacks earlier. Weren't we?
Huh?
So we were happy to have those snacks earlier. We were all snacking on them. Mister?
What?
He said we better get back, we need more snacks. And I said we were happy to have those snacks earlier. There we go. He's gonna hit me with his paddle.
Hold on. All right. We too close to the bridge?
Yeah.
Let me go back
Go
up.
back up. This is becoming a project. How do I get my butt wet?
And I stopped. Where are you going?
I don't know. I'm trying to get. You said to back up.
Do you want to take it so we're in the bridge?
What?
You got to back up then.
No, I wanted you guys in front of the bridge, not under the bridge.
Oh,
Like I wanted you guys. Like,
so we're in front of the bridge. How you gonna take the picture then?
I'm gonna swim, paddle that way, take your picture that way.
Oh, so we're gonna face that way.
Yeah, preferably.
Well, you gotta let us know.
I did. I told you to turn around on the other side.
No, no.
How am I soaking wet all of a sudden? Just from that little maneuver. My butt wet, my neck is soaked. All of a sudden the water's going through my legs.
Your boat's getting lower too.
Feeling fat.
It's getting real low.
Huh?
I wonder if the drain plug's in.
Might suck.
Look low.
You're fine. You probably just splashed some water
Oh,
inside.
I did. Oh, I know that's what it's from. I didn't.
Look at the way you're dripping everything in there.
Oh, I know. I knew that's what it was from, but I was just like, I was trying to back up and there's no water in there.
Just paddle closer to him.
Oh, I was staying still.
You're all the way over there. Why are you staying still? Jesus Christmas, you guys.
Let me try to straighten this out.
So I stabbed it with my paddle.
Cute. Okay, get me the fuck out of here now.
Kiss. She had enough of us.
No, no, I ain't giving you a kiss. Are you stupid? Jesus Christ, Lee never give me a kiss.
Never give me a kiss.
Gee, no kidding. I don't want to get wet.
It's cold around here too.
Well, we're in the shade.
There's something under there with the little tickly thing. I don't get like all the stuff about people. I'm getting water everywhere.
One of the problems with that kayak hunt is you see the it's called a combing on the top.
Yeah.
Water collects there.
Oh, that's what I'm doing. I'm like, why the heck is my... Oh my
That's the only thing I don't like about that kayak.
Normally it would
It
not.
don't run off.
I think yours is the same way, isn't it?
Mine wet's taller.
No, yours drains off, Sam.
It wouldn't. It normally doesn't matter in the warm weather.
Not in the warm weather.
Very.
You see your drip rings?
Yeah.
Move them out just a little bit, like it's about 4 inches on each side.
I was just seeing if I was gonna get stuck. Oh, a turtle! I see it floating.
Sam, hug the left side a little bit. See if we can stay out of the wind.
I'm not that bad in the wind right now.
We're not, but we will be.
Look under the water.
Growth?
No, turtles. He might have went too deep.
That one over there bobbing his head up? You can't tell with this vegetation.
Yeah.
You still getting wet over there?
What's up? I knew it was me. I knew it was from my paddle.
She told me to shut up. What's that? Yeah, so she get wet. Shut
Oh,
up.
I thought you were making fun of me again.
No, yes. Look how
No,
much
good.
this wind's blowing us.
I know.
That's crazy, isn't it?
I thought you were being a wise ass.
What?
I thought you were being a wise ass. I knew it was getting wet because I was getting water in from the paddles.
Go along the side, up further, see if you get some more turtle picks.
What?
That is the nature center all the way down there?
You want to go up to there?
No, I'm saying that is the nature center?
That's the bridge. That's the new bridge they built.
Oh.
That silver thing across.
Oh.
Nature center's around that bend of trees, I believe.
So, what did we see lit up last night? Ooh,
I'm thinking it's the reflection of the bridge
that's what I think too.
because it's all aluminum and it's very reflective. Yeah, let's take a ride up to the nature center.
Okay.
You stay out of the wind. This is great.
Yeah, that's nice.
You're right on the border of the wind, Laura.
I know, I can see it. Now, does the trail that the people are walking on, does that go all the way around the lake?
Yes, it does. There's a pond trail, and then there's a couple intersecting trails, like Paradise Alley Trail or something. There's a few trails. It's a nice little walk. Takes you walk through, you go over the bridge, you come back around, you go past the nature center, and before they didn't have that footpath bridge that they're building,
Okay.
that you had to like walk on the side of the road,
Oh,
and cars would zip down there. Old and pine cones, Sam.
I know.
The thing is like a giant vulture with its wings open, don't it?
That pudgy squirrel.
Straight in front of you.
mm-hmm.
Run away.
Oh, a turtle. Yay, geese. We see you, we see you.
The dock is near our cabin.
What?
The dock near our cabin. Like,
Yeah.
could anybody come down and use that dock then?
Yeah.
Technically.
Yeah, figured.
Bumper boats. Is that the cottage up there with the dock?
Yeah.
Is that what my mom said? Is anybody allowed on that dock? She gonna go over there and mess them up? Get over that dock.
No one's on the dock.
Yeah, there is.
No, there isn't.
No, I didn't even know that. That's not why I asked.
But there is somebody on the dock.
I didn't
No,
notice
there's
that.
not.
Yeah, there is.
That's a pole.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe it's a pole.
No, it's a very thin guy.
Yeah, his name's
No, I just meant people.
This guy got an 18-inch waist.
I meant people wouldn't even know it was there.
Yeah, people probably don't.
Pond's a little bit bigger than I thought it was.
Yeah.
It's still not as big as Trap,
Pretty big size though.
but it's nice to get that little trail in under the bridge.
Yeah.
It's a shame them trees are down. You probably could get back there a decent bit, you know? It's a turtle, Sam.
You need a straight jacket?
He's stuck. Let me out of here.
Oh, that was sweet.
They don't look like they have a plan. It looks like they just figure, I'll fall and see where I go.
He's still stuck.
They are painted turtles, right?
Yeah, I think so.
I know they're not sliders. Want to camp on the island? Right, there's a nature center. I think you can rent that thing out. We'll have to take a road trip over there and see if they're open. Whoa, look at that guy. Whoa. Giant carp.